So this example is in reference to the chart we had at the beginning with the models for the number of births and deaths in the United States from the years 2000 to 2016. So part A says write a function that models the change in U.S. population. So if you take the number of births, subtract the number of deaths, that's going to say how much the population is changing. Could be increasing, could be decreasing, but for each year, and we're going to use our models here. Okay, so part A, we just want to find b of x minus d of x. So negative 2.6x squared plus 33x plus 4,043. And then we're going to subtract 2x squared minus 13x plus 2,428. Now if I write those in a stacked vertical format, I could write it like this. Let's scroll it up a little bit. Subtract 2.0x squared, right? Plus 13x, because you've got the minus, a minus, and then minus 2,428. So I already did this, but negative 4.6x squared plus 46x, and then this turns out to be 1,615. So there's the model then, to, according to our models, this would model the change in population. So part B says use the functions from part A to find the change in population in 2014. That means that x is equal to 14. Remember, it's the number of years after 2000. So what I need to find is negative 4.6 times 14 squared plus 46 times 14 plus 1,615. So I put that all in a calculator, and it turns out to be 1,357.4. And this is in terms of thousands, but we'll just leave it at that for now. Part C says, does the model underestimate or overestimate the actual change in population in 2014, and by how much? So you have to go to that chart. It's already on your note page, but go to the chart or in the textbook, and you look at the actual chart. The births, so B of 14 according to the chart, was 3,988. The deaths were 2,628. And I probably shouldn't write it this way because that's indicating the models, and this is actually from the chart. So from the chart we get those numbers. If you subtract, you get what? 1,360. Okay, so that's the actual data. This was our estimate from the models, so it looks like an underestimate. Estimate of, and then you have to take the difference. So a little decimal work here. And you get 2.6. Remember, this is thousands. So I probably wouldn't write 2.6. I'd probably write 2,600. So it's an underestimate of 2,600 people. Underestimate, and that's by how much. Okay?